the leaders of the matatu sector, the truck association, boda boda. We have digital transporters. Ni muhimu kwanza kusema ya kwamba hawa wamechukua uongozi. Ni ukweli na serikali inatambua na sisi sote tunatambua Wakenya wameumia. Na sio hawa tu, kwa sababu wako kwa biashara, hata Wakenya wa kawaida. In all sectors. Children have not gone to school. There are sick people who need to go to hospital. There's farm produce that needs to be transported. And so that is why we, chose to get out of the way and just come together to listen to each other. We have operators and we have government, but ultimately we are Kenyans. And where there is dialogue and respect, and these operators will tell you, because I work with them very closely, hapakosi njia. So I want to assure the people of Nairobi, the people of Kenya, that we have found a way forward together. We'll have very high level deliberations. Watu warudi kazini, watoto waweze kurudi shuleni, watu warudi kwa mashamba. Let us build our economy even as we resolve this issue. I want to appeal, and I know through the waziris we shall reach out officially to financial institutions. We are in extraordinary times. The crisis we are in is global. Let us not take it out on our people. Hii mambo ya kuchotwa, vitu yao kuwa auction saizi, we can talk to them on some level of amnesty for some time, because people are really struggling. And so it's good for you to know the government actually, we realize, that increase is extremely high. There are certain limitations of what we can do, but in the next few days you will see. And I have promised them as their as their friend and their guarantor, that we shall sit at the highest level to resolve this pain that Kenyans are feeling. So I really want to thank the CS for Interior, for his leadership, CS for Energy, also the CS for Transport, that this consultation also should go on, that we don't only meet during a time of crisis. Let us meet to see how to improve this sector, to make public transportation as it should be, affordable, reliable, for the sake of Kenyans. So asanteni sana, watu rudini kazi. Na ngoja watu town, watu warudi kazini, mujaze mabarabara tuendelee pamoja.